Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katelyn, and today we are finally doing another PokeFusion. So I'm doing this live on Twitch right now. If you would like to participate in any future Monster Mashes or PokeFusions live, go follow me at twitch.tv/KMcCaigue. So today, since I'm live on Twitch, I'm going to have my Twitch user send me a bunch of different Pokemon that we can mash together. We're gonna pick 2 of them and see what I can create by mashing 2 Pokemon. So let's go ahead and get some suggestions from the Twitch chat, plug them into the straw poll, and see what they pick today. All right, so the Twitch chat has voted. So for Pokemon number 1, we had Alolan Ninetales, Slowbro, Dragonite, Munchlax, or Eevee, and the results are, oh my god, an Eevee. Okay, so we got Eevee mixed with either an Ariados, an Arbok, a Quagsire, a Servine, or a Litten. I'm sorry if I mispronounced any of those, but let's see. Oh man, Quagsire and Servine are tied. Let's see if any last minute votes come in, and we'll see if one of them takes the lead. Or else we could maybe potentially do a 3 Pokemon mash, but I'm kind of hoping for 2. So yeah, maybe someone's vote will come in. We'll just stare at this until someone votes. Of course, you vote for Arbok. You don't break the tie, you make it a 3-way tie. There we go, Servine. Servine's it, done, called it, it's good. So we're doing a Servine and an Eevee. So let me go ahead and jump in and do some sketches, and we'll see what we can think of for this. I'm seeing it kind of as a leaf evolution. I can kind of see something like that, but we'll have to play around with it and see what we get. All right, guys, we are all done with the rough sketches for this PokeFusion, and I absolutely love number 3 here. I think that's my favorite design out of the 3, but it was kind of a tough decision between these first 2. And I had the suggestion from chat to combine these 2 together to make the 3rd one, and I think it made a really cool 3rd one. So I think I'm gonna run with this design. I might take some aspects from this one. I kind of like the elongated face, but I also like the face design of this 3rd one. So I don't know, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just run with this design and see how it turns out. Maybe add a couple aspects as I go, but let's go ahead and jump in, get a finalized cool sketch, some line art and color, and then we'll be done. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump in and get this new drawing started. So before you guys go and like type away in the comments, which I have a feeling there's already gonna be a few comments just based off of me talking about this, like, I don't know, a third of the way through the video. I already know that there is a grass type Eevee evolution, but for this one, I wanted to really accentuate the dragon-like look of Servine and combine it with the Eevee. I know this is basically another grass type Pokemon combo with an Eevee, so it's like almost a kind of different Leafeon if they went for more of a elongated snake-like Leafeon, I guess, but I already know it exists, so don't worry. Don't go furiously leave comments down below saying, oh my god, Katelyn, there's already a grass-type Eevee. I know. But this is just a different interpretation of a grass-type Eevee. And I mean, hell, we haven't even gotten like a ground-type Eevee. We haven't had a dragon-type Eevee. So you never know. This could be a combo of like ground grass or like, I don't know, grass dragon or dragon. I don't know. But I mean, either way, eventually they're gonna run out of like single type Eevee combos. Like, you know, we have obviously Flareon, Umbreon, Jolteon, all of them based off of a one type. But at the rate Pokemon is going and how some games, well actually I think only, some games get multiple evolutions, they're gonna have to start combining them eventually anyway. Like, we're not just gonna have one type evolutions, because these are just too popular. I bet you, like, maybe eventually they'll do a double type evolution at one point, maybe not a lot of them, but I could see one emerging eventually. Who knows? This is just me speculating and babbling on, but anyway, this guy was a lot of fun to draw and was a little bit outside of my comfort zone just because I tried to make him look a lot cuter and much more Eevee-like, especially in the face. So I'm not used to doing, I guess, more cutesy little creatures. I've been doing them more and more in the 100 Dragons challenge. I've been doing some cuter dragons, but it's still not something I do very regularly. And especially when I'm trying to combine my discomfort of cutesy things, well, discomfort isn't the right word. I guess me not being used to drawing cutesy things, combining that with trying to somewhat match the Pokemon style, not go 100% accurate, but just add a little bit of a touch of the Pokemon style to these guys. All of that mixed together kind of put me outside of my comfort zone a little bit for this guy. And then I also struggled with trying to figure out where I wanted to put certain colors. Like, certain parts were a little bit more obvious in terms of like the yellow crest thing. I wanted to keep that golden yellow, and then a good chunk of the body I wanted to still be green to, you know, pay homage to the Servine color. But then the Eevee colors, I'm like, well, Servine has that tannish belly, and Eevee's mane is not the exact color, but maybe something similar. So maybe we kind of combine them together in a way, but I decided to make this more poofy lion mane thing to go over its long neck and make that the tan of the Eevee, and then keep the belly of this guy the same yellowish white that the Servine has. And then it was fun to add some little extra bits of flair to replicate the Servine pattern. So on the back it has that 3 spiky leaf. I wanted to make sure to put that along the back of this design, and I wanted to replicate that in its paws. I thought that'd be a really cute pattern to add to the end of the feet, because the Servine has the little leafy hands, so I thought that'd be really cute to kind of replicate that idea onto the paws. And then, like I said, we have mostly an Eevee face, and now that I'm looking at it again, it does really remind me of kind of the Leafeon. Like if you took the body color, like the underbody color of the Servine, and had it with the green, it really is reminiscent of a Leafeon. But I really had fun like elongating the body and making it much more snake-like and leaning a lot more on the Servine design rather than the Eevee design. And I think it turned out to be a really interesting combo, like something I personally never thought of doing, and I probably wouldn't have, because same thought process of like there's already a grass type Eevee, like why would I combine these two? And it turned out pretty interesting, and like this weird snake dog cat thing. I don't even know how to describe it, but it was still fun to do and was a very interesting design to figure out. Okay guys, we are all done with this PokeFusion, and I think it turned out super cute. This was a really fun and interesting fusion. Like, I would never have thought to put these two together, and it was actually really fun to try to take the very particular characteristics of both and put them together into this new creature. So either way, this was super fun, really fun PokeFusion. And again, if you guys would like to join in any future Monster Mashes or PokeFusions, make sure to follow me at twitch.tv/KMcCaigue. So thanks again guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video. And if you aren't already, you can go and hit that subscribe button. I have new videos every week ranging from my 100 Dragons challenge to PokeFusions to Monster Mashes. We have a lot of different diverse and awesome content on the channel, so I'd love if you would join the community. And if you guys like this video and like my PokeFusions, make sure to hit the like button down below and let me know, like, what Pokemon would you like to see in a PokeFusion down in the comments. So thanks again guys so much for stopping by, and I will see you all next time. Bye everybody. Man, this new region has so many interesting and new Pokemon. I can't wait to see what else they have.
I know, right? There's been so many cool evolutions that we've seen so far.
I know, it's crazy. I wonder if any of like the old Pokemon have new evolutions.
Oh yeah, speaking of which, the professor from the last town, he gave me this like leaf stone, but it's weird, it's different. And I got this new Eevee, you wanna try it out?
Yeah, let's try it. I bet we could get something really cool from it.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Go Eevee!
Eevee!
Hey Eevee, do you wanna evolve?
Eevee!
Alright, let's try this. Whoa!
Eevine!
Eevine? That's so cool! It's like a grass type, but even stronger.
Eevine! Wow, Josh, what a cool new Pokemon to add to your party!
I know, right? He's so cool!
Eevine, Eevine, Eevine!
Oh man, I'm really excited. Do you wanna battle?
Yeah, let's battle!
Yeah, I wanna see how strong Eevine is.
Wait, I have a Charmeleon.
Oh,
Isn't
wait.
this a grass type?
Yeah?
I don't want to humiliate you.
Oh yeah? Is that a challenge?
It is! Let's go!
Yeah!
Go Charmeleon! Charmeleon!
Alright, Eevine, you can do it!
Alright, let's go! Charmeleon, use Ember!
Ah! Eevine! Eevine! Use Quick Attack!
Ah! Charmeleon! Alright, Charmeleon, it looks like it's weak to fire. Use another Ember!
Eevine! Alright, let's try something new. Eevine! Use Earthquake! Eevine!
What? Charmeleon!
That's right! He's grass ground!
Shit!
I knew you could do it, Eevine! Eevine! Eevine!
Hey, I thought I was the main protagonist of the story. How did I lose?
The main protagonist doesn't always win, duh!
I guess so, but what lesson is to be learned? That I'm not always BAMF?
Yeah, and your Charmeleon sucks!
And so Katelyn and Josh continued on their quest to try to make Charmeleon more BAMF. Well-behaved doggos while filming a Pokemon script. Hi, Elsa. Koda. Hi there, poopers. Thank you for being so well-behaved while we acted like idiots in a public park. Yeah. Yeah.